Okay, peace family, it's EsiK. I'm out here getting ready to harvest these tender greens. They've been out here for a minute. You can see how big they are. So I'm probably not gonna harvest all of them, just some. Some nice big ones too. I actually harvest some okra over there that I didn't even know was still, the okra is still trying to come in. The flowers are still blooming. I was actually over there pruning it back, and I saw I had at least a bowl full, a nice bowl full of okra. I'll probably cook these tonight. Let me know if you guys are harvesting tender greens. These are excellent for like salad. I'm gonna leave that side, and I'm just gonna focus on this side over here. Let me bring you guys up. Okay. So yeah, I'm not gonna harvest, like chop the whole bottom off. I'm gonna leave the bottom, the root part there. And maybe I'll get some more that will grow. But even if I don't, they'll decompose down and create nutrients. So I'm not gonna chop the whole thing off like I usually do my greens like that, but I stopped doing that. Yeah. Some of them you can see where that little moth fly got to it with this larva, or the beetles. Could be the beetles too. It smells good. Alright family, I think that'll be enough. That is a basket full. And then I'm going to, hold on. I'm gonna turn you guys around because I got a lot of peppers on this side that I need to get, and I guess I'll use my my little okra basket. So let me turn you guys around. All right, let's see. Y'all see how my peppers is going crazy? Let me show y'all the okra harvest. The burgundy ones, the green ones, the burgundy ones are so pretty. I was really surprised that I still had a nice harvest of those, because I was over there pruning. Alright, so these are some of the pepper plants that I'm gonna take inside. I'm gonna prune them back, but right now they still producing a lot. Let's see. And I forgot the name of these peppers. See, there's a whole bunch of them on here. Let's see. Let me know if you guys are still harvesting peppers. I planted so many different peppers, I forgot what I planted. Y'all know Essie always do that. I always forget what I planted. I have to go back and watch a video to see what I planted. Yeah, there's a lot over here. All right, a handful right there. Peppers. And there's a bunch of them over here too. You know, sometimes you gotta, I say that all the time, you gotta step back sometimes because vegetables tend to hide in between the leaves and stuff. But look, it's a whole bunch right here. Today is beautiful, y'all. It's so beautiful. It might be maybe about maybe 75, 78, some more. So yeah, I've been getting a lot of comments on everyone telling me to prune them back and put them in a greenhouse, and they'll come back next year with a vengeance, meaning a lot. So that'll be my first time overwintering my peppers. So I'm looking forward to that. So I'm gonna definitely take these. I think it's 2 baskets here, or is it 3? I think it's 3. Let's see. One, because I have probably about 4 plants in one. That's one. Shoot. I think that's 1 bucket right here, you guys. Or is it 2? No, I think it's about 2. But my other plant on this side is not doing anything. It had a variety of peppers, and it had definitely had the hot pepper. I'm actually pruning it back right now because it's just there. Yeah. And this one has some hot peppers on it too. I'm not sure about the hot peppers, the what they call it, cayenne peppers, Tabasco peppers. Not sure if I could prune that back and it'll come back. It might, since it's not doing anything. It already gave me some hot peppers already, so I might as well go ahead and just prune him back too. That way I can see. All right, it's some more on here somewhere. Yep. Ah, here's a big giant one. That one, you guys. And now I'm seeing more over here. I think this is the peony. I think that's what that is. And some more. They're actually just coming off, actually. There's some more on here as well, but they little. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna come back in here and I'm gonna give it some I'm gonna give it, actually I made some, oh wait a minute, I don't want to lose that pepper. I made some rabbit manure tea, and I don't know if I showed y'all that, but I hold on, you guys. I was giving the yard, oh here's some more. I was actually feeding, when I would plant my transplant, I would put also some rabbit manure, and I plan on definitely adding more of the rabbit manure come next season. Rabbit manure is very good, and according to a lot of homesteaders, they say that's the first thing you need to get on your homestead is rabbits, because the rabbit manure is good as well as the chicken manure. So my rabbit manure got wet in one of the buckets that I had it in. I was storing it in there, and it got wet. So I emptied it out in one of the 5-gallon blue containers and poured some water on there, and I made some tea. So that's what I'm gonna give this plant, a drink of the tea. and hopefully it'll birth out these little babies, make these little babies a little bigger, and hopefully I'll get another harvest before the next real cold front come. All right, so that is a nice pepper harvest, you guys. Look at there. So that is my pepper harvest for today, and then my tender greens. Not bad, you guys, not bad. So this is EsiK, and Essie will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for tuning in and watching my channel. You guys be safe. Peace.